everyone, and welcome back to Autoritz. Today we're getting a sneak peek into the future of motoring excellence with the highly anticipated 2025 Porsche Mission X. This isn't your average Porsche. The Mission X is rumored to be the successor to the legendary 918 Spyder, and from what we've seen, it looks like Porsche's pulling out all the stops. The 918 Spyder was a game-changer, a hybrid masterpiece that redefined performance. The Mission X seems poised to continue that legacy. There's still a lot under wraps, but rumors suggest a next-generation hybrid powertrain pushing boundaries of horsepower and efficiency. We're talking mind-blowing acceleration, top speeds that would make a jet blush, all while sipping fuel like a compact car. But the Mission X isn't just about power. Look at those curves. The design is pure Porsche sporty, aggressive, and undeniably futuristic. We're expecting a lightweight chassis and aerodynamic features that would make a fighter jet jealous. The interior is rumored to be a tech haven, with a driver-focused cockpit and intuitive controls. Imagine a seamless blend of luxury and functionality, designed to put you in complete control. Of course, with a car this exciting, there's still a lot we don't know. The official release date is rumored to be sometime in 2025, so we have some waiting to do. But trust me, the wait will be worth it. In the meantime, let's speculate. What features are you hoping to see in the Mission X? What will it take to dethrone the 918 Spyder's legacy? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get this conversation started. Don't forget to like and subscribe Autoritz for more epic car content. And until next time, stay curious and keep chasing that driving dream.